This is a Fetters AirTemp air conditioner. Um, I'm not going to say the model number because I think it's over 20 characters long and it's like really hard to pronounce or something. But this unit is a 5,000 BTU unit. It's actually 450, but I'll round it up. And this has a Matsushita rotary compressor and a Fasco fan motor. This is what our current temp is. That's coming out of this unit. It feels ice cold. We're running at the medium cool setting. About whatever thermostat setting that is. Drawing 618 watts. .48 amps. And a power factor of 0.99. Here's the outside of the AirTemp. I don't think this thing started condensating yet. I see what appears to be a damp area here, but I think that's from yesterday's rain. This unit's only been running for 10 to 15 minutes, so I don't think it's enough to fill the back pan up with condensate yet. The back side of this unit is a bit banged up, so it could use for a bit of help. So I think at the end of this season or sometime I'll probably take this unit out and clean it up. I also want to repaint the base pan, take the whole cooling system out of it, and make sure this doesn't rust, and then drill a proper drain hole instead of the drain hole that's underneath the compressor. I'm going to put one right underneath the fan, which it appears like it's already rusted through there, but I don't think I've actually seen any water drip out of that yet. I'm also on the search for a back grill for this unit that actually has the little blue AirTemp tag, which this one is missing. I've officially had this unit for about a year now, so this is the official bedroom air conditioner. So I really like it in here. It runs really good. I'll probably get a view from that window there, pointing over at it so you can hear the compressor. And yet again another set of temp readings or something. You can see the case is a bit dinged up here on this corner. I never really remembered that being dinged up since when I got it, or since it's actually been in service. That unit up there is condensating pretty good. From here you can actually hear dueling Matsushita rotaries. That's pretty cool. The compressor on the Quasar is actually really quiet compared to the compressor on the AirTemp. The AirTemp, I think, is a higher hours machine, so it has a bit more wear on it. We're running 53 degrees on the inside. Definitely feels cold. It feels a bit colder than 53. This is an 80s model because it does not have the vents on the top. See the paint splatter there. Surprisingly, this thing is not as dirty as I thought it was. I thought this thing would be absolutely filthy by now, but I guess it's pretty clean. There was a sticker or something there at one point, but it's long gone. I have no idea what it said. Cardboard side panels also held up really good. I'm really proud of how well this fit together, so that's one of the reasons why I don't want to uninstall this and replace it with another unit. The top of the case here is a bit knackered, so it could do to be redone at some point in time. But for now, it's pretty good. Our wattage is probably still the same. Need to clean this up a bit. Here's the unit with the front grille removed. It is condensating. Absolutely cold. Actually runs a bit under watt. We'll check that because it says 720. Running Route 640. Maybe it does that when it's under a heat load. And this is far under 7.0 amps. Somewhat efficient. Now finish this video of this 1985 Fetters AirTemp. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.